exhibition on the from the period 1837 to 1901. This period, Victoria, born the 24th of May in Kensington Palace, London, England, and died January 22nd, 1901. She was known for explosive temper and out. As the Queen of the United Kingdom, she gave the Victorian age. She was married to Saxa Coburg Gotha, and together they had 9 children. The Victorians into nobility, upper class, middle class. The upper class, the aristocrats, nobles, dukes, and other wealthy families. The upper, as they received the finest education and their living conditions were enviable. The middle, the Industrial Revolution in the middle of the Victorian age brought a lot of changes to the standard of living for the middle class. Doors were open, which were able to afford better educations for their children. The lowest ranked working class, who were the worst of the Victorian age, lack of supplies. In some families, it was necessary to survive. Some single room and conditions that it often resulted in children working away from their parents. Women were expected to stay at home, keep the house, while the man went to earn the money. Under Queen Victoria, and the House. The members carefully selected by the Queen Victoria herself, was the House by the public. Literature played a role in the Victoria era. Due to during this period, this allowed books and novels to become more accessible. Books for children that before were unheard of suddenly became a commodity. Right from 1866 to 1943, delighted stories of the English countryside, accompanied with beautiful watercolour illustrations. Probably the age was Charles Dickens, born in 1812. He wrote Expectations to David Copperfield and Oliver Twist. Dickens tell of the similes. Dickens' writing is very thick and designed. He was or even the sentimental side. In the film, Barnes Browning was an English of the Victorian age, popular in Britain and the US. Brought her much success, and she later in life married poet Robert Browning. Browning's works, My Last Duchess and his controversial At Night, has made poets. Queen British history until her death at the age of 81 on January 22nd, 1901. This era, the death of the world, were crowded who wanted to get a last glimpse of the Queen. On 19 laid to rest in the grounds of Frogmore House. Above had inscribed, "Farewell, here and thee in Christ I shall again." Beloved Albert.